Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to the Banking Help SA YouTube channel. This is how to buy data on the Capitec app. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layouts look slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same, so just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the Capitec app and sign into your account. From the home screen, select Transact. Next, choose Buy Airtime and Data. You might need to scroll down to find this option. If the cell phone number has not been added before, select Add Beneficiary. Enter a name for the beneficiary and then fill in the cell phone number for the phone that you want to send the data to. Choose the correct mobile network and after that, press Add. Review the details, then tap Confirm. Once the beneficiary has been added successfully, press Done. Select the beneficiary you just added from the list or use the search bar at the top to find it. Choose the account you want to pay from. Next, open Choose Product Type and select Data Bundle. Then tap Choose Data Bundle. Choose the data bundle that you would like to purchase. Review the transaction details, and if everything looks correct, press Buy. Follow the remaining prompts to complete the payment. Once the transaction has been processed successfully, the selected data bundle will be sent to the chosen cell phone number. And that is it. That is how to buy data on the Capitec app. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Goodbye.